also we have other aspects of our faith, but we believe the best act of worship is helping others. Because according to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in one narration, he explains to us that once God asked Moses, he told him, Moses, what have you done for me? Musa alayhi salam, he says, oh God, I pray, I fast, I pray to you. So I'm praying for you. God told him, Moses, I don't benefit from your prayer. That's for your own good. That's for your own good. I don't need your prayer. I'm God. What have you done for me? Moses began to cry. He said, oh God, you teach me. God told him, did you go and help someone who needs your help? Did you feed someone who's hungry? If you really want to worship me and do something purely for me, that's even better than prayer. Go help someone who's needy in society. That's the best way for you to help.